Hi guys, welcome you all to another video of software testing by MKT. As a part of this video, I am going to give you a demo demonstration to show you guys how to write a program in Java and how to compile and interpret it. So let's get started. So while writing a program in Java, you just have to open Notepad. Once after your Notepad is ready, you can start writing your Java program. As I have said in the previous video, you have to write the Java program by giving a class name, and the name of your class will be your identifier name. So you have given your class name as MKT, which is nothing but identifier. Now your identifier should always starts with the uppercase. So this is your class name. It should always open and close. So now this part, your class MKT is nothing but your class declaration, and from this part to this part is nothing but your class body. Now after writing this, you have to write the main method. So as I have said it, you need to write the main method as public static void main string args. So this is our main method. Why we are writing public static void main string arg? This I will be talking about when I will be talking about methods in Java. So whenever you are writing the method, this is your main method. So this part, this whole line is called as your method declaration, and opening of the method and closing of your method is called as your method body. Now inside that, we are writing the motive of writing this program is to print software testing by MKT. So inside this method body, you are printing your software testing by MKT. And to print something in Java, you have to start writing system.out.println. In that, you can write whatever you want to print. So I am writing system.out.println, and in that double quotes, I am writing software testing by MKT. Now this is it. So I have written class name as MKT, which is my identifier name. This is this line, class MKT is called as my class declaration, and opening of the class till closing of the class is called as my class body. After class writing class body, we have to write the main method, which is this public static void main string args. Now this line which I have selected is called as your method declaration. Once after method is declared, you have to write starting of the method and closing of the method which I have selected it. This part which I have selected is called as your method body. To print something in Java, you need to write system.out.println and whatever you want to print. So I want to print software testing by MKT. Always remember, whenever you're writing a program in Java, no one will tell you these silly things. I'm just telling to make you guys understand in a very perfect way. Whenever you're writing any class, whenever writing any program in Java, always remember your identifier should start with your caps letter, that is uppercase. Whenever you're writing public static void main, your string s should be your uppercase, and whenever you're writing system.out.println, in that s should be uppercase. So this is your program in Java. Now whenever you have to save any program in Java, you have to save it with an extension of .java. As you guys know, so whenever you want to save any file in Java, you have to save it with an identifier .java. If you remember your program, your identifier was MKT. In the same way, in the same format, that is first M should be caps, I am writing mkt.java as my file name. Now I am saving it in the desktop. Now this is my Java program which I have saved it with mkt.java. Now how to compile and interpret it? Open command prompt, navigate to desktop. Now under cd desktop, so in your desktop your file is there. So what you have to do, you need to compile it. So you just need to write java c and then your file name mkt.java. The moment you do it, If you see desktop, mkt.class file has come. If you remember my how Java internally works, I had said that once after compile is done, you will get the output of the compile stage is your .class file. So now .class file is ready. Once after, now compilation is done, you need to do the interpretation to get an output. What you need to do? So to interpret it, you just need to type Java, and then to interpret your file you just need to type java, and you need to give just identifier name, which is your mkt. You don't have to give mkt.java, but for interpretation you will just give java space your file name, your identifier name, which is your mkt. So I have given java space mkt, and I am doing now interpretation, which will give me the output. Now, when I did it, I got the output as software testing by MKT. That was the motive of writing this program. So this is how you do your compilation and interpretation, which is nothing but you want to run any program in Java. This is how you run it. You do compilation and interpretation. So let me tell you guys one more time. Whenever you're writing any program in Java, the class name which you are giving is your identifier name should always be the uppercase first letter. You save your file, your Java file, with an extension of .java. Whenever you are saving your file, you should save it with an extension of .java, and the name of the file should always be your identifier name. The class name, your class name is mkt, so you have to save the file as mkt.java. Once after that is done, you need to compile it. For compilation, you need to type javac mkt.java. Once you do this, you will get the .class file. Once this is done, compilation is done. You need to, next step is to do your interpretation. You just need to type java and then your file name, which is your mkt. Once you do it, you will get the output. So this is how you write any program in Java and run any program in Java. So I hope this video was useful to you guys. If yes, please give a thumbs up to this video, subscribe to my channel Software Testing by MKT, and please, I request you guys to please share this video with your needy friends. So I am giving you a guarantee that I am gonna make you guys understand thoroughly what is Java, how Java works, each and everything about Java. So be with me. Thank you.